I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's try to do the PUBG 90 FPS gameplay test in the Realme X1 Max, and even I'll try to test the 4D vibrations whether it's working or not after the recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of hours ago I did receive the software update in the Realme X1 Max, which is a 8GB RAM variant I'm trying to use, and this is the update which is 8.16. And after I posted the video, and plenty of users they are asking only one question: can you please try the PUBG game testing whether the game actually supports 120 FPS on 90 FPS or not at this point. So this is the exact PUBG version which I'm trying to use. So with this 1.5 version, the Realme X1 Max is the, I think, most luckiest users because they got the 90 FPS update. That is fantastic. So right now I'm trying to use the 120 Hz as well, but only problem is that the Realme UI is locked at 60 FPS. That is what the problem, but I did upload another video as well how you can actually unlock it. It is not 100% working, but it's just my guess, so maybe that might be the reason, I'm not sure. So I did upload a couple of hours ago as well friends, so make sure to check that video. So I'm gonna try same kind of trick in this phone as well right now while playing PUBG, and I'll try to check the 4D vibrations. So even the 4D vibrations are working or not, these are the two things which I'll try to concentrate mainly. Let me try to go to the settings and let me show you exactly. So is the graphics, and I'm trying to use 90 FPS, 90 FPS, everything compact and lobby, as you can see perfectly 90 FPS. And this is the real-time refresh rate. This is not the FPS, don't get confused, this is the refresh rate. If the game plays at 90 FPS, then this refresh rate will change from 60 to 120. That is the reason I thought of including this refresh rate option here, so which you can actually see it personally. And I did enable this 4D vibration haptic feedback, as you can see. And when I enabled, I'm getting really good feedback as soon as possible. But when I'm trying to play the game, let's check. When I'm trying to shoot it, whether I'll be getting any kind of feedback or not. So this is what my main focus will be there, doing this kind of testing. So because before the update 1.4, I did not get any kind of haptic feedback. It didn't work in my unit. So not only in my unit, I think even a few of the units as well, it did not work. So make sure to send me the screenshot of, if you're able to play at 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max, try to send me the screenshot of the gameplay like this, and try to send me the screenshot of about phone as well, because I want to know which model you are able to play. Send me the screenshot to this email ID which I created. So this email ID basically I did create only for this kind of people who are actually having trouble. And if you have any other questions, you can definitely send email. If it is kind of urgent, you can definitely comment under the video, no problem. But if it's kind of really very urgent, sometimes I'm really very busy. You do know my schedule friends, so it's very hard to read all the comments and reply to each and every one. That is the reason, in case for emergency purpose only, I created that kind of email. But right now I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedback, not at all. No friends, I'm not getting any haptic feedback even when I'm trying to shoot. Even when I try to increase the volume, no, I'm not getting any haptic feedback apart from this back panel vibration. So apart from this back panel slightly vibration, but apart from that, I'm not getting any haptic feedback at all. No. So even after this after this update, Realme UI 8.16, still the same condition as before. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends. Please try, if you are the Realme X1 Max user, if you are able to get the 90 FPS, and if you are able to get the 4D vibrations, try to comment, mention your model, 12GB or 8GB. That is what I want to know, because some users they are saying they are getting in the 12GB RAM variant, some users they are saying that they are not getting. So I'm really confused at this point. I'm not sure what Realme is up to with this kind of problems. So friends, I was unable to get at 90 FPS. It's not playing right now with the 90 FPS. No way. Let me show you exactly. As you can see, the real-time refresh rate is also not increasing. Refresh rate from 60, it's not increasing to 120 at all. As you can see friends, it's staying exactly at 60 only, it's not increasing to 120. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. I'll keep an eye on this update as well regarding the temperatures and battery draining, not while playing and for normal usage. So I'll keep you posted what is happening with this kind of update as well, so very soon. So stay tuned for those. And in case some of the users are actually thinking of updating and waiting for my review, so make sure to wait for some time, so maybe till tomorrow morning. So definitely I'll keep you posted what is happening with the update. And what is another trick which I did mention? So the trick is that in other application which I did today morning testing, so when I enable the dark mode, so I'm not sure, when I enabled the dark mode, suddenly the FPS increased to 120 FPS. Yes, that is what happened in the morning video. Just for the demonstration purpose, as a proof, I'm trying to show you. This is a video. 120 FPS is working, but so it's working in few applications. I think if you try to use the dark mode, but it's not working in this PUBG. No, it's not working at all. Even any kind of trick, whatever I try, it's not working. So there is one more trick which I can definitely do, which did work in the Realme phone, which is the Realme X2 Pro. This is a Realme X2 Pro. The trick did work in this phone perfectly. I was able to get 90 FPS. So let me to use the same trick right now. I'm trying to use same trick. So I'm trying to show you exactly, friends, what are the different settings possible can be happening. Let me to go to the optimizing battery use and show you exactly the PUBG game. So it should be somewhere. Yeah, I did select do not optimize, as you can see. So you should select do not optimize. I did select the do not optimize as well. So let me to open the PUBG game and slightly decrease the brightness. So decrease completely the brightness. So you may not be able to see it much clearly, but you need to decrease completely the brightness to 0. That is a trick which I tried in the Realme X2 Pro and it worked fantastic. Now I need to go to the home page and select the game space and open the game space and keep the game space in the background, even the PUBG also background. Now try to close the PUBG game. So PUBG is closed. Now from the game space, try to open the PUBG. So in this way, we will be able to get 90 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro model. Same trick when I tried in the Realme X1 Max, it's not working. As you can see, when still it's 60 it's refresh rate, you can clearly see that it's not working. So it doesn't matter what trick I do, still the PUBG game is not playing at 90 FPS. I'm not sure what is wrong with this phone mainly. Even I did try to use all the settings, everything perfect, but still I was unable to play. So I need to do another check as well, trying the multiple games. Not only this game, I need to try different games like Standoff 2 and other games. So Standoff 2 has got the inbuilt FPS meter. That will be the really good test for me to do. So I'll try to test on the Standoff 2. I forgot to test in that game itself, because that game is a really good game which has inbuilt FPS meter. So friends, this is the final conclusion, is that there's no update, there's no change in the PUBG game at all. Even with the Realme UI update, it doesn't fix a few things like 4D vibration, it doesn't fix, and it did not fix the getting real-time FPS meter up to 90 FPS, it did not fix. So these are the few things which are just mentioning. And in case if you have any other queries, any other problems which you want me to test, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do that kind of video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more updates. Bye.